Breaking news. July 2026, 14 o'clock. New FPV drone footage reportedly shows a Ukrainian drone tracking a Russian military convoy moving along a rural road. The video has attracted attention among military observers as drones continue to play a central role in the conflict. The footage appears to show the drone following several military vehicles from above. From this perspective, operators can observe vehicle movements, spacing, and possible escorts before making any decision. FPV drones have become an important tool for both surveillance and precision strikes. Their live video feed allows operators to identify vehicles, avoid obstacles, and adjust their flight path in real time. As the drone moves closer, the convoy continues along the road. Online videos of this kind often end before the full outcome can be verified. So viewers should be cautious about drawing conclusions from short clips. Defense analysts say drones have changed how convoys operate. Vehicles now often move in smaller groups, change routes frequently, and use camouflage to reduce the risk of detection. Both Ukraine and Russia continue to expand their use of FPV drones. These systems are now used for reconnaissance, target identification, and, in some cases, direct attacks. The use of low-cost FPV drones has become one of the defining features of the war, demonstrating how commercial technology can be adapted for military purposes.
The situation is still developing, and we'll continue monitoring every new update as more information becomes available. Around the world, military movements and geopolitical tensions can change rapidly, and we'll bring you the latest verified developments as they happen. If you found this report helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next breaking military update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next report.